To redeem your 12-month NBA League Pass, new subscribers must visit the NBA League Pass Stream website, select the monthly subscription, and sign in with an NBA ID account or create a new one. After applying the promo code, you'll need to provide billing details, though no charge will be made. Existing monthly subscribers can log in into their NBA account, navigate to the subscription page, enter the promo code in the designated field, and apply to confirm. For existing annual subscribers, you must cancel your current subscription through the NBA profile page. Choose the monthly League Pass option and apply the promo code, ensuring you enter your billing details without being charged. Don't forget to redeem the code by December 31, 2024 to take advantage of the offer.